That's it. Goody, goody, good. And just to really just whiz around where we are, this is where we are on back to the YM, which we were looking at earlier on. As Anna said, a little bit of a pause point. Yep. But, we got through this region here. We're breaking away from the volume point of controls. All good. We've got low volume up at the top here. So, it's all looking nice, setting up for potentially further rally higher. The trend monitor you can see here is blue throughout the piece, nice and blue. No, and as Anna said, don't be afraid to join a trend that's already underway. Just to pick up on the Renkos, let's quickly whiz over there. Renko charts in different time frames. Here we go. This is actually on the ES. So I've got this set up on a different index, but the principle is exactly the same. This is the ES, this is the S&P 500, but it just works beautifully. This is the what we call the Renko optimizer, and basically the way it works is very simple. We just click on whatever time frame we want. I've got 15-second here, matched with a 15-second time chart. I've got 30-second down here, and this is to 1 minute. And all you do is just select your time frame. So I select 15 seconds. It says click here, open a brick size. I'm just going to click on that. That's telling me, that's delivering me the optimal brick setting for the ES in this session right now. And what it's telling me from on a 15-second chart, I should be trading on a 5-tick brick size. So that one is 5. Just change this one. This is on the 30-second. Let's just switch that over as well. Just make sure we'll see what that's running at the moment, whether that's changed at all. That's down at 7. Okay, so let's click on that. That's going to deliver 7 ticks, almost 1 3/4 points, almost 2 full points. And then over onto the last of those, which is on a minute. So this is going to be slightly slower. So we just click on that. That's going to deliver an 11. There we go. So we're almost up to 3 full points, 4 ticks a point on the ES. So what we're looking at here is precisely the same. We're looking at a time-based array down here, 15-second, 30-second, and a minute. So we've got multiple time frames, but here we've got multiple Renkos, and we've got multiple optimal Renko size. We're not guessing the brick size here. The indicator, the Renko optimizer for NinjaTrader, is delivering the optimal size. We've got the trend dots on here, which work beautifully. They work in a terrific combination with the trend monitor, because the trend monitor, as you can see, as the trend dots change here on the very fast time frame on the 5 brick size, 5 tick size bricks, had some transition, but now we're coming back out the other side. The trend dots will always change first because they are very close to the price action. The trend monitor takes a more considered view, which is why they're such a powerful combination together, because there's been not a flicker on here and not a flicker on here. Yes, we had the little minor pullback. Yes, the trend dots went into transitional gray and into red, but they came out again into blue, and now they're supporting that underneath the brick size. The trend monitor is supporting that move. You can trade in that quite happily. A lot of our customers use them as in combination. They'll either get in when the two are in agreement. There's lots of different ways of using the indicators, but they are a powerful combination together. As you can see, strung out in this way, using tick charts in a multiple way, as you would use time-based charts. It's just the perfect blend, because what you'll see below is obviously the volume price analysis aspect of the chart. And above, you've got the smooth price action on the bricks working for you in a multiple combination way. I would urge you to try, if you have the indicators, lay them out in this way. It really does smooth things out for you, and it gives you the blend of volume price analysis with the advantages, all the advantages of trading a non-time-based chart like a Renko. We haven't gone to tick charts today, but exactly the same principle. These bricks are independent of time. They build on the number of ticks. So 7 ticks on here, whether this comes through in a nanosecond or a millisecond or a full second, doesn't matter. That's when that brick will close off and move off to the next one. Once those 7 ticks have been created, it will continue on in terms of building the bricks. So it's independent of time. Just a nice move. Okay, there we go. That's me done. Just to wrap up very quickly, just pop this up. That was was a post on gold we did on Anna's site. That was 3 or 4 days ago. We saw the buying coming in here. We wrote about it. We said we're bullish on gold. It's 1701 it was trading at. We saw more buying coming in. What's it trading at now? 1740 odd. So, there you go. Just proof of the pudding that volume price analysis actually works. And we're not just saying it does. We actually write about it, and you can check out all the history on Anna's site. You can find all the books. They're all up on Amazon. There we go. They're all available on Amazon. They're either in the Kindle version or you can buy them in paperback. Both versions available for most of them at any rate. In terms of the trading indicators, you can find them all here at quantumtrading.com. MT45, NinjaTrader 7.8, TradingView, and the TradeStation is coming soon. 2 versions of TradeStation. We'll have TradeStation Global, which is the partnership between TradeStation Securities and Interactive Brokers, where basically the platform is driven through the Interactive Brokers feed. So you have all the advantages of trading on the TradeStation platform itself with the advantages of trading with a deep discount broker like Interactive. It's a powerful combination. It really, truly is. Fantastic combination. And the other version, that's on version 9.5 TradeStation, and version 10 is TradeStation Securities, where all the indicators will also be available for that particular platform. We've got Radar Screen, which is awesome, and all the other bells and whistles of TradeStation. If you're familiar with it, it is a powerful, powerful platform. So that's where we are, and I haven't got the education side up, but you can also find all the details of the Forex education program at quantumtradingeducation.com. So there we go, that's us done. I hope you've enjoyed today. Thank you so much for coming along today. Just make sure we haven't got any more questions. We have 1 or 2, sorry. Is that quantum in a feature or is it an NinjaTrader? Nikolai, it's a quantum. These are quantum indicators. If you're asking about the renko or any of the indicators we've had up today, they are quantum trading indicators, and you'll find them all over on the quantumtrading.com site. Penny, do you only use trend dots on a renko? No, you can use trend dots on normal charts. I find they work for me really well on the renko charts. I also use them on the tick charts as well. That's where my natural preference is to use them, but you can use them on any chart you like, whether it's a conventional time-based chart or a non-time-based chart such as a renko or a tick. So yes, you can use them on anything you wish. The way you change the renko size, you change the renko size through the time. You simply select a different time on the renko optimizer. And on Ninja, you go down to 15 seconds or whatever you prefer. There's the standard ones, but you just simply select the time frame and it will deliver the optimal brick size for you, whether that's 15 seconds or a minute, 2 minutes. The rule of thumb is that obviously the slower the time frame, the greater will be the brick size. So if you want a smaller brick size, go down to the faster time frames. If you want to have a slightly larger brick size, then go up to the slightly slower time frames. And in terms of laying those out, that's typically, I would, as you saw there, I had normally I'd have a 15 second, a 30 second, and a 1 minute. I find is a good combination, but you might find a 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, or even a 1, 2, 3. It does depend what market you're trading. Obviously, they will all vary. The YM, the ES, the NQ will all vary in terms of their spreads. You can apply it to obviously to any future you care to name. So you can have it on gold, silver, you can have it on oil, doesn't matter. It'll deliver the optimal brick size for that particular contract, for that particular quote, whether it's in dollars per ounce or whether it's in points, pips, whatever it may be. You can apply it to spot as well, of course. Hope that answers those questions for you. Thanks very much indeed once again. Hope you've enjoyed it, and we will see you again on Tuesday next week for the Forex session, which is 7:45 London time. So I hope you can join us there. Thanks for coming along today. Stay safe, everyone, and we will see you again soon, and bye for now.